glad you picked up the phone and called to talk. The questions that you're asking are so familiar. I was in your shoes once, I know this road you walk. So go ahead, cry, scream if you need to. I'll listen till you're done with an open heart. And the wisdom that I've gained by living my life, I'll pass on to you, that's how the healing starts. Mom to mom, friend to friend, I'll stay with you till this ends, till the fear you feel and sadness fade like dawn.
So at Mom2Mom, our peer support program uses mothers of special needs children and young adults, as well as professional clinical staff, to offer reciprocal peer support, a nationally renowned model to help mothers throughout the state of New Jersey, and actually throughout the country at this point. We've had over 66,000 contacts in short few years we've been in existence. We maintain about 1,000 open cases at any given time where we're providing peer support to mothers. We do assessments, we have a special network, focus groups, support groups, anything that we can do to build the resilience and strength of mothers in turn so they can support their families and their special children. What I'd like to do now is introduce you to the people at the heart of Mom2Mom, which is the mothers who serve as peer counselors.
The work here at Mom2Mom has helped me tremendously in recognizing that we all have an inner strength, and that strength connects us to one another for positive things to happen in our lives.
As a parent with lived experience of raising a child with special needs, we have the privilege of helping other parents feel not so alone and to share our life's journey that can include hurt, pain, sorrow, joy, and even successes with someone who really gets it.
Well, I feel an incredible sense of accomplishment by being a member of the Mom2Mom team, because so many people throughout the years were kind to my family, were very kind to my son, and I feel like this is my way of giving back.
I learn something new every day at this job. I'm very fortunate to be here speaking to the moms, and they teach me every day in the same hopes that I get to help them in some small way.
All moms of children with special needs are superstars, and don't forget that, because you're going to need to remember it someday.
Know that you are not alone in this journey, that we have to crawl before we walk, and it's okay to fall down. The most important part of that journey and experience is getting back up.
The work at Mom2Mom gives me support. I receive at the same time as I give.
Being able to share my experiences and be able to talk to moms on the same level that they're at, and reassure them that there is light at the end of the rainbow.
It's important because you have somebody that is going through or have gone through the same thing you're going through right now, somebody you can relate to, good understanding of your situation when you call, somebody who can tell you something that you really need at that very moment.
I think it impacts me in two ways. For me, I think the work at Mom2Mom is always inspiring. I think that the mothers are so strong and they're doing such an amazing job, both the staff and the moms we talk to, that I am always amazed and inspired by their strength and their commitment to their children.
To celebrate all the successes, no matter how small, with their children, because every little step forward is major when you have a child with a disability.
And Mom2Mom helped me a lot, and I feel as though like I can give back the same contribution that they've done for me.
The moms I speak with make me laugh, they make me cry. The stories they tell me of their struggles for their kids are often infuriating, but the way they work, their tenacity, their determination, it is the most inspiring thing imaginable.
Lo que más me ha impactado de mi trabajo aquí en Madre a Madre es la fortaleza y la tenacidad que mis madres muestran día con día.
I like the fact that it's a give and take for myself. I like to learn from the other parents as well as them learning from me. I think that's an awesome thing where you can kind of give and take, where it's not just give, or take. It's, you get the best of both worlds.
I am forever changed by the family members I've worked with who have allowed me to work alongside them as they, in their quest to support and care for their children with special needs.
The experiences I have at Mom2Mom, it actually kind of stabilized and normalized and validated my experiences, and it kind of helped me understand that I was not crazy.
Give yourself the credit for what you do, and just know that what you do is enough. Who you are is enough, and we're always striving to be more and striving to do more and thinking we're not doing enough. So just take a moment and give yourself that credit and that pat on the back and that hug to know that what you are doing is enough.
No sea tímida porque no haya nadie que hable español, que no haya nadie que la pueda ayudar, ¿verdad? Siempre aquí vamos a conseguir a alguien para ayudarla. Y no deje de llamar, no deje de llamar.
Most of the callers that I talk to are calling just to be heard. They have a need to vent, and their voice in my ear is just beauty because they want to be heard. They don't feel comfortable speaking with others. Maybe they do, but in speaking with a mom-to-mom peer counselor, I think they know who they're calling when they call, and they are always stronger than they think they are.
And just be patient. You know, everything, happens for a reason and will pass. It may seem like it's just so overwhelming right now, but I guarantee you, now almost 18 years in after diagnosis, I guarantee you it will pass. So just exhale, remember that.
I get tremendous gratification being able to share with my moms and other caregivers all the knowledge that I've gained over the years, and I also learn from them.
If you feel that there's no way out, remember, just put one foot in front of the other, keep walking, try to keep your head up. There's someone out there that's always pulling for you and rooting for you, and here at Mom2Mom, we're always here to support you.
So if these words I speak can give you courage, then I know the road ahead will be much easier for you. Mom to mom, friend to friend, I'll stay with you till this ends, till the fear you feel and sadness fade like dawn. Together two are stronger than one would be alone. So side by side across these lines, day or night, rain or shine, every hour, every question, every tear, I'll be here. One day you'll be stronger, and you'll look back at where you've been, and you'll reach out to help another, and their journey will begin. Mom to mom, friend to friend, I'll stay with you till this ends, till the fear you feel and sadness fade like dawn. Together two